making breakfast for the grandkids before I get them out to school. 6:32, and cheese to the bread. Making turkey cheese toast. Simple breakfast. Kids gotta go out to something and they do. You know? So, that's what I do every morning. I said, let me go ahead and take it. Start taking me cooking for my family. You know? That's what I do. Cook for the family. And I like some cheese toast on the iron. On the iron. Man, I'm so used to the fire alarm going on. I don't even pay attention to it. Especially with cheese toast. With cheese toast, it's going to be some smoke. Washing my hands, that's what I do. I wash my hands all while I cook. Cheese toast done. Got good cheese toast. Boom. Let me bring these in. Good cheese toast. Turkey bacon early in the morning. What kid don't want that? What kid don't want it? Now let's focus on this bacon because the rest of the kids don't like cheese. So what I do is, it's still hot. That's what smoky hot stuff, this thing right here. Alright, the rest of the kids don't like cheese, so what I do is,